Hi, this is Angela with Little Monkeys Design, and I wanted to show you this gorgeous yarn that came in the mail the other day. I've used it before. It's by Owool, and it's her Balance line of yarn, and I used it specifically to create this crochet pattern, Perfection baby blanket for my niece, and the baby blanket was lost in their house fire recently, so I ordered some new yarn to replicate the blanket. So I wanted to show you this gorgeous yarn so that you could look into Owool's yarn yourself. This is how she sends it in the mail, all wrapped up nice and pretty. So these are the colors that I ordered. You can see a variety of colors, and I love the way that they blend together. So Owool's yarn is all organic, it's certified. Her Balance line is, here's the front of it. It comes in organic cotton and organic merino wool blend. 130 yards per 50 grams or 1.75 ounces. And I like to use an H hook with it, or a 8 5.0 millimeter hook. These Tulip brands are my favorite hooks. Anyways, this is natural, it's not dyed. Some of the others are dyed, and when she dyes her yarn, she uses GOT certified yarn so that her yarn can stay as organic as possible. This one is the Celestine. Also love this Desert Blush. Can't go wrong with a gray. This one's Alabaster. And last but not least, Sapphire. It's kind of like a navy color. And as the pattern shows, the Perfection pattern, going to do a chevron style with some color blocking of these different yarn colors. So I encourage you to check out owool.com. Jocelyn does a great job with her yarn. She sources all of her yarns as local as possible, has them spun and dyed locally, also here in the US. And the natural dyes are GOT certified, like I said, and they are low impact yarn, or low impact dyes for the yarn. They are super soft to work with. It's a blend there of cotton and merino, so a little bit of sturdiness with the cotton and some softness with the merino wool. It's really easy on your hands to work with, and the blanket is just super soft. So I've created several blanket patterns. You can find them on my shop with this yarn Balance, and it makes for a gorgeous gift. So if you are looking for some new yarn to try out, I suggest you look at Jocelyn's Owool Balance yarn. Her website is o-wool.com. Thanks.